Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping VS Code now. Close all windows and terminals so files aren't locked. Back up your user settings and key bindings because you will overwrite them. Export settings. JSON and key bindings. JSON to a safe folder. Once done, capture your extensions list with code list extensions or enable settings sync to save them. These steps prevent data loss and let you restore selectively. Make sure to record workspace-specific settings too, because they differ from your global profile and are often the cause of persistent behavior. Now you perform the core reset. Remove or rename VS Code's user data and cached extension folders to force a fresh state. On Windows, that's in %appdata%/code. On Mac OS/Linux, it's ~. Config/code and ~. VS Code. Next, remove extensions by deleting the extensions folder or running code uninstall extension for each one. After that, start VS Code with disable extensions to confirm the app launches cleanly. If it does, you've isolated extension or config issues. If not, the problem may be a deeper install or system interaction. Finish by reinstalling VS Code if a clean launch failed after removing user data, or use settings restore defaults for a lighter reset. Reintroduce extensions one at a time from your saved list to find any that reintroduce errors. Restore settings. JSON only after confirming stability so you don't reapply a corrupt setting. If issues persist, open Help Toggle Developer Tools and check the console and window logs for errors. That log often pinpoints permission, extension, or file path problems and guides the next fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.